SoFi just announced that it will be launching a new weekly paying ETF. Yes, you heard what I said. A ETF that pays you distributions weekly. I am Marie Brown. This is my channel, Minds in Motion, where we talk about personal finances, investing, and how to become the best version of ourselves. Let's look at the SoFi weekly paying ETF as well as the SoFi fractional share portfolio. SoFi is now introducing the first ever weekly income ETF with the ticker symbol TGIF. So, SoFi announced on October the 2nd that it's launching its newest exchange traded fund, the SoFi Weekly Income ETF, ticker symbol TGIF, the online personal finance company's first fixed income offering and industry's first ETF to offer a weekly distribution to funds shareholder. TGIF is an actively managed fund that seeks to achieve its investment objectives by investing in US dollar denominated investment grade and non-investment grade securities and instruments. The fund plans to distribute income from its investment to shareholders every Friday. The fund is the latest edition of SoFi's family of ETFs after launching its first 4 ETFs last year. So at SoFi, they say their mission is to help members get their money right, which means providing their members with the access to affordable and diversified investments for their portfolio, says Anthony Noto, the CEO of SoFi. So the ETF TGI Friday, or TGIF, can help provide our members with a means of generating consistent income at attractive interest rates with potential for a lower level of risk than the stock market, whether an investor is just beginning their financial journey or they have decades of experience under their belt. Cultivating an income generating component to a portfolio is an important step, and we're very proud to be offering this first of its kind fund. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys the ETF. I did purchase some of it in my fractional share portfolio. As you guys know, I only put $25 a week into my SoFi portfolio. So let's look at the ETF right now. We're now looking at the weekly paying ETF, TGIF, SoFi Weekly Income ETF. It's currently trading at $100.20. And you guys know that they just launched this ETF on October the 2nd. So there's not really too much data on it. Since I only put $25 a week into this portfolio because it is my fractional share portfolio, I did go ahead and put $16 into this ETF. And as you guys know from what I just went over with you guys, they expect to distribute income on every Friday. It's currently trading at a high of $101.18 and a low of $99.70. There is no dividend yield or anything yet. We'll have to just see. I don't know. Hopefully this Friday they will be paying out distributions, but I'm excited to see what's going to happen. This is the first weekly paying ETF. We all know that we like, dividends as passive income. So this will be like me getting a check on every Friday. So stick around. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification so that you can see what happens with SoFi and me investing in this weekly ETF. Now let's look at the portfolio real quick. As you can see, the current value of the portfolio is $2,421.40. Net contribution is $1,816.25. Total gains in the portfolio since existence, which is just over a year now. I started this portfolio in September, is $605.05, and total dividends paid into the portfolio since existence is $19.89. And just to go through the holdings real quick, as you can see, I own a little over 2 shares of Apple. I am up $87.68 for a 48% return. BND, which is a monthly paying ETF, the bond Vanguard ETF, I own a little over 2 shares. I'm up only $3.16. I have Tesla. I own 1 share. As you guys can see, I'm up over $300 for a 171% return on my 1 share of Tesla. Then we have VU. I'm up $7.54. We have Amazon. I own not even a tenth of a share, and as you guys can see, I am up $50.80. We have 3M, which is a dividend king. I am up $2.95, almost half a share. JP Morgan, down $3.10. Costco, up $16.58. It is also a dividend paying stock. Then we have Netflix. I am up $36.08 for a 20% return. We have Intuit. I am up $10.23 for a 15% return. We have Kroger's, which is my biggest position. I have just over 5 shares. I'm up $10.90. It is a dividend paying stock. We have Microsoft, almost at a half a share, up $9.16. They also do pay a slight dividend. We have Wells Fargo, American Airline, NRZ. These are all companies that I'm looking to sell when they get out of the red. LUV, which is Southwest Airlines. BP, Activation Blizzard is also a dividend paying stock. I own 1.5 shares. I'm up $5.75. Roku, almost at 1 share. I'm up almost $80 for a 62% return. Then we have T. And then we have that new ETF, the weekly paying ETF that I just added. So that's going to be all the positions in this portfolio. Again, tune in every single, week. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video because it does help with the YouTube algorithm. As well as leave a comment below if you guys have any questions. And if you guys have not joined SoFi yet and you're looking for a brokerage or a money management app to use because they have so many other features that they offer, go ahead and use my link in the description below to join SoFi. And also you can open up a regular brokerage account, or you can also open up a retirement account, either a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA account.